Traders, let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. On the move, we got twlo up over 8%, almost 200,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. ostk down over 6%, over 200,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. Tesla, TSLA, down almost 6%, over 4 million traded pre-market. That's in play. We got quite a few here we can work with. So let's go see what we can grab out of this market. twlo, we're going to short this right here. The ask. All right, we are in twlo at 274. Actually, we're going to take this right here. Let's take this right here if we can. Come on. No, don't pull back. Don't pull back. Oh, that stinks. We would have got 2 points, a little over 2 points off of that. And look at that, it's being bought right back up. Stop loss is going to be over 275.50 area. But we're going to leave that there. We're going to leave that there. We think it's just going to go down there again. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on. Nice quick ride down. This thing is gapped up pretty big and it's near the lows here, so I don't see why it just doesn't drop a little bit before it gets picked up again. Come on. Yeah, we're just going to leave that order out there. Here we go. Come on. A little bit more, a little bit more. Come on. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. Market keeps climbing. Market's telling me to get out of this trade. Alright, we're gonna come out of this trade. I just canceled that order there. Let's come out of this trade right here. Alright, we're out. We're out. We still took about, oh, and there it goes. Now it's dropping. We still took, what is that, about 45 cents or so. It's just that the market kept telling me, get out of the trade, get out of the trade. ZM, we're going to take this for a long right here. We can get in this before it breaks out here. Alright, we're long, 495.24. Alright, let's take this right here. Come on. I'm going to push this down a little bit. Come on. Alright, we're out. Nice. Nice. I didn't even have a chance to talk about it. It was just moving too fast and the spread was big. We took a 1.5 off of that. Now, I could have probably waited a little bit longer because it's probably going to go higher. This thing looked nice here because mostly because it opened, it just blasted right off, consolidated up here. A lot of shorts jumped in this, and they all put their stops right at the top here, you know, thinking this thing's going to drop a little bit because it got popped up quite a bit. And when it popped over the top here, it just, you know, took out all the stops. And we rode that up really fast. dkng, we're going to short this right here. This thing is due for a pullback here. Come on. Let's jump in this and get at least a point off of this. Come on. Alright, we are short. I don't really like doing this because this is really against trend here. And it's the first pullback after multiple point climb from the open. But we think we can get this down to at least 60.50 area. That'll be the target, 60.50. And stop loss will be over the highs. Not going to give this one too much. If it goes over the highs, we'll just come out of it. You know what? We're going to come out of this right here. Let's come out of this. Looks like we're going to climb here. Let's come out of this right here. Alright, we're out. No big deal. We took a small loss. We took a 25-cent loser. When it didn't drop there, it told me it's just going to climb a little bit more. So dkng, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. Alright, we are long dkng. This looks great for a breakout over to at least well over 62. I'm thinking 60.25. Stop loss will be below 61 area. About 50-60 cents each way. No big deal. This thing's moved up quite a bit, but this is a bull flag formation here. You know, we got the pole, we got the consolidation, a lot of shorts coming up here. Put the stop right up here. We took this short earlier and it didn't work out, so I'm thinking it's going to climb. Alright, let's come out of this. We're out. Fooled me twice on this one. Yeah, I wanted this thing to break out right here. It didn't, so I'm not going to wait before it cracks 61, because if it cracks 61, it's just going to drop pretty hard, and I don't want no part of that. Okay, we are short ostk at 80.04, and just like that, it pops up. It's a good sized mover, so you got to be careful with this thing. But it's down for today. Market's climbing, so I think if this thing was going to continue to climb, it would have continued to climb up here, and it didn't. It dropped quite a bit from the highs here. So the target on this thing, we like this around 79, and stop loss will be around 81, about a point each way. ostk, all right, it's working out here. Let's bring this up a little bit closer here. Here we go. Let's take this down to 79 if we can. If we can't, we'll just come out of it. Struggling a little bit here. Let's try to take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out of it. No, we're full out. We're full out. Nice. Nice. We took about 65 cents or so. Could have probably waited a little bit longer, but I don't know. The market's probably just going to pull back here and continue to climb. So this thing will probably climb too. So I don't want to leave 65 cents on the table here. Anyways, traders, I think that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. So we're up 406. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 trades, 3 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on ZM and our biggest loser on dkng. Thanks for watching.